Hi, welcome to another edition of Marlon Technique TV. Tricky Math. Today, another exciting number games problems will be answered. And we are now on example number 12. If you haven't watched the 11 previous exciting examples about number game problems, you can just go to my channel and then on my playlist, just select all about algebra. Then the 11 previous solved problems will be there for you to go back with. And then for example number 12, so the first side of a triangle is 2 inches shorter than the second side. The third side is 5 inches longer than the second. If the perimeter of a triangle is 33 inches, how long is each side? And what is the area of a triangle?
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
2 minutes, I will give you time to solve this problem. So, last 30 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So as you can see, the question are finding the area of a triangle and the length of each side. So you cannot find the area unless you find the sides of each triangle. So in order to do that, we must have a reference. As you can see, the first side is using the second side as his reference. Also, the third side using the second side as reference. As you can see, the first side of a triangle is 2 inches shorter than the second. So meaning to say that the first side is smaller than the second side. And then the third side is longer than the second side. So meaning to say that the second side the third side is longer, 5 inches longer than the second. And the perimeter of the triangle is 33 inches. So for the solution, choosing the second side as the reference, we let x is equal to the length of a second side of a triangle in inches. So here is the figure. And then x minus 2 is equal to the length of the first side of a triangle in inches. And then x plus 5 is equal to the length of the third side of a triangle in inches. And the perimeter of a triangle is 33 inches. So knowing all of this, we have the illustration wherein x is equal to our second side, x minus 2 is equal to the first side, and x plus 5 is equal to the third side. So, for the solution, again, the perimeter of a triangle, the formula is first side plus second side plus third side. And then x minus 2 for the first side. And then x for the second side plus x plus 5 for the third side, which is equal to 33. And then 3x. And then negative 2 plus 5 is equal to positive 3. So, which is equal to 33. And then 3x is equal to 33 minus 3 by transferring the positive 3 to the negative side. So, it will become negative. So, 3x is equal to 33 minus 3. And then 3x is equal to 30. So, divide both sides by 3. We will have x is equal to 30 over 3. So, 30 divided by 3. X is equal to 10 for the second side. And then for the first side, x minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 for the first side. And then x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 for the third side. And then to check if our answers are correct, x minus 2 plus x plus 5 is equal to 33. And then 10 minus 2 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 is equal to 33. And then 33 is equal to 33. Therefore, our answers are correct. Now that we know the sides of a triangle, which is the third side is 15 inches, second side is 10 inches, first side is 8 inches, we can now find the area of a triangle. And the formula for the area of a triangle is A is equal to 1/2 base times the height. So the base here is the first side and the height here is the second side. So therefore, A is equal to 1/2 8 inches times 10 inches. So A is equal to 80 divided by 2. So 80 divided by 2, area is equal to 40 square inch. So that is the area of a triangle. For alternate solution in this problem, the first side of a triangle is 2 inches shorter than the second side. The third side is 5 inches longer than the second side. If the perimeter of a triangle is 33 inches, how long is each side? So for the alternate solution, choosing the first side as a reference, being the smallest, we let x is equal to the length of the first side of a triangle in inches. So as you can see in our first solution, we let x is the second side. But in this alternate solution, we let x is equal to the length of the first side of a triangle in inches, being the smallest. So x is equal to the first side. And then x plus 2 is equal to the length of a second side of a triangle in inches. So x plus 2 is equal to the second side, as being mentioned that the first side of a triangle is 2 inches shorter than the second side. So x is the first side of a triangle, so therefore x plus 2 is the second side. And then for the third side, says that the third side is 5 inches longer than the second. So second side, so x plus 2 is the second side, and then the third side is 5 inches longer, so we add 5 for the third side. So the equation will become x plus 2 plus 5 is equal to the length of the third side of a triangle in inches. And 33 is equal to the perimeter of a triangle. So now we have the equation. So x plus 2 plus 5 for the third side, x plus 2 for the second side, and x is equal to the first side. So solution, perimeter of a triangle is equal to first side plus second side plus third side. And then perimeter is equal to 33 is equal to x for the first side, x plus 2 for the second side, and x plus 2 plus 5 for the third side. So 33 is equal to 3x plus 9. And then transfer 9 to the other side, so it will become negative. 33 minus 9 is equal to 3x. And then 3x is equal to 24. And then divide both sides by 3. So 24 over 3 is equal to x. And x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 is our first side. And then for the second side, x plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 for the second side. X plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 15 for the third side. To check if our answers is correct again, so 33 is equal to x plus 2 plus x plus 2 plus 5. So 33 is equal to 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5. So the answer is 33. Therefore, our answers are correct. And then again, so we know the third side is 15 inches, second side is equal to 10 inches, and first side is equal to 8 inches. So we can now find the area of a triangle. So A is equal to 1/2 base times the height. So the base is the first side and the height is the second side. So A is equal to 1/2 times 8 inches times 10 inches. So A is equal to 80 over 2. So 80 divided by 2. Area is equal to 40 square inch. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Keep safe and bye-bye.